Hey guys, I'm Chani and you're watching The Art of Science. So if you're a subscriber, welcome back. If not, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Friction. We've heard this word so many times. But what is it? What does it mean? Does it help us? Is it even important? Well, turns out it is important. Without friction, we would not be able to do any of the simple tasks that we perform every day, like walking, driving, cooking, and so much more. But what is friction? Friction, simply put, is a type of force. And this frictional force comes into play when any two objects come in contact with each other. Let's look at two examples. In case 1, we have a bowling ball that slides across the bowling alley. And in case 2, consider a golf ball on the lawn. In the first case, we observe that the ball slides across the alley since the surfaces of the ball and the alley are very smooth. But in case 2, the surfaces of the ground and the ball are relatively rough, which not only slows down the ball but resists the ball from sliding smoothly. Now, just like case 2, no object on this planet is smooth or has a smooth surface. Every object or surface, like roads, rulers, paper, fabrics, and even our skin for that matter, have rough surfaces at a microscopic level. It is this roughness of surfaces that gives rise to the frictional force, which helps us in almost everything, from drawing on a piece of paper to snapping our fingers, holding objects, and even playing games. Friction is amazing, isn't it? In fact, friction also helps us in levitation. It is because of the friction that this simple wooden skewer is able to lift the heavy bottle of rice. You can check out the experiment and do it yourself. The link is up here and in the description box as well. And if you want to test just how strong the force of friction is, why don't you try this experiment of interleaving the pages of a book and then trying to separate them. This video is linked up here and in the description box as well. Let me know in the comments who wins the fight, you or friction. Friction doesn't only exist in solids, but it also exists in liquids. The friction in liquids is known as viscosity. You can experiment with viscosity by designing this really cool race and getting all the liquids around you to compete with each other. The link to the video is up here. If you want us to make another video explaining viscosity or dive deeper into friction, let us know in the comments below and we'll see you next week.